Our special sauce created especially for this event.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. The 4th annual Thrill of the Grill competition is now over. Thank you for being here. In addition to the thrill of competition today, Thrill of the Grill is also known as Danforth's Barbecuer event. We have a couple of very, very special presentations for Dr. Bjarnason, presenting a check in the amount of $5,000. Please welcome the General Manager of Baxter Canada, Mike Oliver. Now, presenting a check in the amount of $10,000. Oncology, Robert Loney, Senior Manager of Patient Access and Health Policy. Now on to the raffle prize draws. I'd like to call up Catherine Madden, Executive Director for Kidney Cancer Canada, to help with the ticket draws. All right, so now it's time for the grand prize. The grand prize, which is a $9,000 Lynx Deluxe Professional Grill and a 5-kilogram case of fresh pork back ribs from Maso Thalo. These are the same ribs used in today's competition. Susan?
Alrighty, here we go. I thought our DJs were going to do a drum roll or something. Oh!
Sorry, Susan, that's the best I could do.
I don't have my glasses on. Adam Gray. Adam Gray. We have Catherine Madden here today from Kidney Cancer Canada, and they've been so great. They took over coordinating this raffle. And this was a huge feat of bureaucratic red tape, bigger than we've ever seen in our lives. And Catherine is the Executive Director for Kidney Cancer Canada, and they're an amazing organization that help patients and their families. And before we got all involved with Thrill of the Grill, she had this campaign called Kick It Up for Kidney Cancer. We called it Kick Kidney Cancer in the Butt, but you know, whatever. So the Thrill of the Grill women, and that's myself and all the women that work with us on putting this event together. And I had a list, and it's sitting on my printer in my office, so now I don't have their names. But there was 12 of us, including Lynn Crawford, Annette Kurianchik, Barb Hepler, and that's as many as I can remember. We hope to raise $1,000, but Trish, we raised $2,500. And Catherine, that's your check presentation.
That's it, folks.
Well on the call, guys.
We are so thrilled that you came out for Thrill of the Grill.